And welcome back. While it was a very warm day across the viewing area tonight, not going to be much different. We'll be in the 60s under partly cloudy skies. Those winds out of the southeast right near 5 miles per hour. It's going to start getting a little bit more muggy tomorrow as that high pressure pushes on off to the east. And we'll get those southerly winds to return. They'll be picking up 5 to 10 miles per hour, but upwards of 15 throughout the day. And because we have all that moisture moving ahead of this next storm system, we're going to have quite a bit of rain about to fall across our viewing area. Tomorrow's forecasted highs mid to upper 80s, so still a warm day. Times of clouds when they start to move on in. We'll still have partly sunny skies though. Those winds mainly 5 to 10 miles per hour, gusting upwards of 15, especially once we get into the afternoon to evening hours is when we're most concerned with that. Radar satellite over the past several hours, our next storm system is out here. It's causing a commotion across the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas. Tornado warnings galore. And you have a little bit of that system still kind of stalled out over Houston. What's going to happen now is the low is still back here in New Mexico. This is going to push on off to the east, kind of stall over portions of Arkansas, Texas, and Oklahoma, cause some flooding there. And then it's going to move across our neck of the woods and stall across us as well. And that's why we're looking at several inches, more reinforcing shots of this as well. This is kind of what happens. So you can see the low right here. And you see this kind of motion right here, this little dip. That is a trough. And what happens is as you move on off to the east, we're going to get kind of little ripples in this trough. We call them shortwave troughs. They're just smaller in size. And so as those move on off to the east, that's really what a lot of our storms are going to fire alongside. And we'll have several little waves of these move on through, or perturbations, just disruptions in the atmospheric flow. And that's kind of what these form along. And again, we're going to have plenty of moisture across our viewing area to get several inches of rain once we go into your Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even partially Monday. Well, right now we're talking 2 to 3 inches. You notice you're going up to the north and to the west, you get more, and it would not be uncommon here. This is widespread, by the way. It would not be uncommon to see some discrete amounts, anywhere from 4 to 5 inches under the heavier thunderstorms. So we're looking at quite a bit of rain yet to fall. Flash flooding is going to be a major concern. We already have flash flood watches across portions of Arkansas for that first little stall. See all the tornado watches going back down to Mexico right now, tornado warnings in the Texas Panhandle. And we're next in line for this. We're going to have a flash flood watch, I assume, issued for us once, maybe probably Thursday, because the main storm system won't get here till Friday, but Thursday afternoon we'll have some move on through. Right now we are just in a marginal risk of severe weather, but our western counties are in a slight risk. This could move on off to the south and to the east depending upon the storm system. So again, we'll keep you updated on this. And so here we go. Your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Partly sunny skies for your Wednesday, 87 degrees. And then here we go. Thursday, really starting the afternoon, evening hours. Picking on up our first wave of showers and thunderstorms. That'll continue for your Friday, your Saturday, and your Sunday. Temperatures get below average for this time of year. Slight chance on Monday as well. Again, we're talking several inches. Please, please, please stay weather aware this weekend. And we'll be back in the 80s for Monday and Tuesday of next week.